Here we go. 2014 Topps Chrome Football Single Box Break Random Divisions. We got divisions here. Thanks Topps has the NFC West, Cody C99, NFC South and East, Heavy Hitter Cards, AFC North, Grave Train 61, AFC East and West, Dodge Neon 619, NFC North, and Kyle B with the AFC South. Good luck, guys. Appreciate y'all joining again. Best of luck to you in the break here. Here we go, pack number 1, NFC West. I'm going to stop reading off the divisions on the base rookies. If you guys need me to do it, though, let me know, please. AFC West, Aaron Murray, 85 insert Chiefs. Is that base? Khalil Mack and Aaron Donald, base rookies. Refractor, NFC North Bears, Brandon Marshall. Rashid Hageman, Jordy Nelson, NFC North Fantasy Focus Packers. Coney Ely and Lachey Purifoy, Pulsar, Karan Reed for the NFC North Detroit Lions. Not numbered. Mike Davis and Kevin Norwood with a refractor for the NFC East Cowboys of Sean Lee. Connor Shaw, mini green border Charles Sims for the NFC South Buccaneers. Storm Johnson, Andre Williams, NFC East Giants, 85 insert. Deion Bailey and Shaquille Evans, refractor. Richard Sherman, NFC West Seahawks. Sherman refractor. Ryan Grant. Blake Bortles, Tallboy, AFC South Jags. Mettenberger, there's our auto. Scott Crichton for the NFC North Minnesota Vikings. Base auto. NFC North is going to be Dodge Neon 619. The non-numbered base version. Just says, yeah, right. Now we need a good numbered insert. Yeah, for real. Well, it's like the first box we had Michael Campanaro, the first box out of this case. So there's two rough ones out of the way at least, I guess. Andre Williams and Martavius Bryant. Refractor is going to be Alshon. Go nicely with your Brandon Marshall refractor earlier. Alshon is NFC North Bears. Yeah, it's a bit of a bummer on that auto. I ripped a bunch of personal boxes. I got him too. Bradley Roby and Allen Robinson. Le'Veon Bell. Photo variation. I think. Yeah, Le'Veon Bell for the AFC North Steelers. Going to heavy hitter cards. 98% sure that's a photo variation. I don't think I remember that, seeing that picture on him. I think so too. Alright, sweet. There you go. Yeah, one of the quicker ways to tell is, so I know, I haven't looked at a lot of them yet, but for example, give me a base rookie here. So, you've got on a normal base rookie card, you got this, like, number on the very bottom there. No Sauce actually showed me this, GB Sports Cards showed me this a couple years ago on some Chrome, but, so you got that serial number, not really a serial, but that code number at the bottom. They're all the same, rookies and vets, the numbers are different. But then on the photo variations, the last like 3 digits are going to be different or something like that. And it's not going to focus right now. Also, a quicker way. So see the back of this? This is just a normal vet base card. Now on your photo variations, see how it says Epic Games right there? All your base don't have anything with that. So quickest way is just to look for something in caps on the back before it gets into that paragraph. Looking at those tiny little numbers when you go through a whole case worth is extremely brutal on the eyes. It'll wear you down. Bradley Roby rookie. Alright. 3 different numbers, rookie. Okay, cool. Hashtag on. Yep, okay, I see what you're saying. Hashtag number after that. Alright, Anthony Barr. Brandon Cooks, NFC South, 85. Insert. Still there, the hashtag is going to be on, it's just referencing like that code number. Well, it's not going to focus, but it's right there. Those numbers are tiny. Julian Edelman was known as the Squirrel, apparently, in case anybody didn't know that. Kareem Martin and Ladarius Perkins with the refractor Darrelle Revis for the AFC East Patriots. Aaron Colvin, NFC South Drew Brees, Fantasy Focus. Well, no, I think they all have hashtag. I think what Nico was saying, I could be wrong, but I think what he was saying is it's that number after the hashtag, basically, just referencing. It starts with CMP. So like the last couple digits. You'll notice all your base cards are the same. Veterans and rookies have a different number, but then your photo variations have a different number from those. C-Strunk, Luis Nix, our blue wave is going to be Julio Jones for the NFC South Falcons. Yeah, they're all the same, except for the variations will be a little different. C.J. Mosley and Bruce Ellington. NFC West refractor of Navarro Bowman, Niners. Jeremy Hill. Gold border Giants, NFC East, Andre Williams Mini. Cody, you have the NFC East and, yes, NFC South as well. So you got NFC East and South. I don't think we've hit any colored refractors yet, right? Jordan Lynch, Devontae Adams, NFC North Packers. No problem at all. No problem. Craig Loston and Antone Exum. NFC East, Dominic Rogers Cromartie, DRC Refractor. 4 packs to go. Jeff Matthews, die cut, going to be for the NFC East Eagles, Jordan Matthews. Three to go. Jarvis Landry, Greg Robinson, green border Troy Nicholas for the NFC West Cardinals. A rookie. Killing the inside. There you go, man. It's a start. What's that? Alright, so we got Johnny Manziel, base. Timmy Jernigan, base. And regular refractor Jordan Reed for the NFC East Redskins. final pack. We really didn't get any number refractors, huh? Just the photo variation so far. Dante, there we go. Dante Moncrief, Clinton Dix, and breast cancer awareness. Pierre Garçon for the NFC East Redskins. Pink refractor numbered 166 of 399. Super would have been better than the pink. So that stung a little bit. Scott Crichton, pink Garçon, and then photo variation on the Le'Veon Bell at least. That might have been the best card out of the box. I don't know. Alright guys, die cut Jordan Matthews, Tall Boy Blake Bortles, couple minis in there as well. So yeah, that box is pretty. Yeah, there's no sugarcoating that thing.